Hey guys, so today we're going to do an if-else code for an odd or even number simulator. So let's open up BlueJ and do this code. Oh, not that one. Okay, so let's make a new class called if-else. There we go. Let's open it. So obviously we have to get rid of all this stuff because it's basically useless for what we want to do. So you're just going to command alt that. So we're going to start off with a public class, name it if-else since that's what our class is. So we're going to do public static, void main, string args, and that's basically meaning that like all the code inside of this will be executed when we run the program.
Oh my god.
So let's do that, okay.
Dom did this one.
Oh no.
Okay, so now let's import a scanner. Importing a scanner, like the code will be import java.util.scanner, semicolon. And this is a bit too complicated to explain it in this video since we're just trying to do an if-else statement, so we'll just save that for another episode. So let's initialize the scanner. So scanner input equals new scanner, system out, or system in, I guess. And then semicolon, just copy that down again. So now we're going to do an instance variable. So let's make that instance variable. Now we're going to do an if statement, if-else statement. So we're just going to start off with an if-else statement, and we're going to use modulus. What modulus is, like, it's going to like divide a number that we put. So odd instance variable modulus divided by 2 modulus 2 equals 0. So that means like if we divide it by an even number, it's going to come out to 0. But if we divide it by an odd number, it's going to come out with a remainder. That means it's odd. So let's do a system out. And your number is even. Boom. Kind of have to make the quotations. Kind of forgot that. Oops. There we go. So now let's make the else statement. And you don't have to put anything here because we already put everything there in the if statement modulus 2. So now we just got to make the system out again. So right now it looks like it would work, but actually it won't because we still have to initialize the instance variable. And we also have to make a for loop because we can just copy and paste what we have right here 3 times to make 3 or whatever we want. So we're just going to make a for loop instead, which will be easier. It looks cleaner. So in index, that's indexes are the name that we just give it. You can name it anything you want. We're going to set that to 0. So now semicolon, then index is less than 3. We just want to print it out 3 times. We don't want to like do an infinite one. So then plus plus, so we can just go through it 3 times. So it looks good so far. Make another one of those brackets. So now our for loop is there, but still not good right now because we still have to do our instance variable. We need to initialize that. So system out so we can put our number there, enter your number, whatever you want, doesn't really matter.
Do you know why Kim Kardashian's famous?
So boom, boom, your number. All right. Time to initialize our instance variable. Hold on, let me just clean this up a bit. There we go. All right, so odd, since we don't even need to put int again because we're naming the same thing. So we just put odd, and then equals input, since we're initializing the instance variable to the scanner. Input equals next int. You don't, since it's 2 words, we have to put them together. And then parentheses, semicolon. So let me just clean this up a bit so it looks nicer when we print it out. And just for the code base too. So compile that, no syntax errors, that's good. All right, let's run it. Let's see what we get. So far so good. So 9, there you go, equals odd. Came out with a remainder. 32 even. 45 odd. Boom, would you look at that? Clean code. So we're done.